Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can use the green screen overlay in CapCut PC. Alright, you have prepared the green screen video or green screen image and import it. Alright, I have one video with a green screen and I'm just going to add the main clip. So add the tray and add the green screen video as an overlay. So put on top another clip which is like so, and I'm just going to split the clip and make it the same in the middle. I'm just going to remove the green screen background, so just going to cut out, select chroma key or auto cut out. But in this clip I'm just going to add a chroma key and then select color picker, so select the green color just for the string and shadow, and here we go. Yeah, so this is the final result. Okay, it is super simple how to use the green screen overlay in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.